Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a photo from a USB flash drive to a Mac computer using terminal and terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a USB flash drive which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4 all the way up to 1 terabyte. We're not really concerned about that. What we are concerned about is the photo on the USB that we want to transfer from the flash drive itself to the Mac computer, as well as be able to use terminal commands in the command prompt on a Mac computer. So we're going to start the tutorial. So let's now go all the way down to the dock, open up Finder, take the USB flash drive, insert that into the Mac computer. For those who are wondering, what type of USB do we require? If you're using USB Type-C, you will require the adapter. So let's click on the sidebar, go to locations, click on Kingston. Make sure we have a photo ready to transfer from the USB flash drive to the desktop itself. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt terminal. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the size of the text. Command plus a couple of times. Now the task would be to, let's just clear everything on screen for the moment. Change directory to desktop, DE tab. List everything on screen. Let's now move into the Kingston USB. You may be wondering, how do we do that? Well, let's just navigate into volumes. Go to Kingston, K, tab, semicolon, ls-l. And now to move the screenshot .png to the desktop, this is the command: mv space screenshot option n tilde slash desktop tab. Before we enter, let's just go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, decrease the size of the Finder window. Let's now watch everything happening in real time. So let's just decrease the size of the Finder. Enter, and we will see the screenshot jump from the Kingston USB to the desktop. And there we go. So let's now close the Kingston USB for the moment. Change directory. Clear everything on screen. Quit terminal. Go back to the USB, right click and eject the Kingston USB. Remove that from the Mac computer. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.